Today's Sunday, July 10th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado front fender extension and rear quarter panel extension from my friend Kevin in Indiana. These beautiful units have been refinished in number 36 for 1976, color code number 36, FIRETHORN from GM Cadillac. Generally in the Cadillac community it's referred to as FIRETHORN Red, but the technical correct identification is number 36 FIRETHORN. So these units are identical for 75 and 76 as a filler set, and in 77 and 78. However, the front noses and the rear quarter panels are consistent all the way through 75 through 78, with the difference being the tail lights. So these units have been hand blocked, finished in number 36, blocked again and sealed, and they'll be going out to my friend Kevin in Indiana as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Absolutely beautiful finish. Okay, there we go. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as these beautiful Cadillac Eldorado filler extensions for the front nose, fender, and for the rear quarter panel. Today is Sunday, July 10th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.